Hey guys, we just got wrapped up here at KREIA with Jason Wojo from Lifeonaire. Full house tonight. Really excited about the 3-day event we got coming up on February 21st and 23rd. Just want to give a little testimonial real quick for anybody who has not signed up yet. My wife and I, Christina, signed up with Jason about 2 years ago. We've been Lifeonaire students in their coaching program, and we went through this 3-day event, and it really has changed our lives. Christina actually was able to quit her job at GE last March. It took about a year of planning, 9 months of some pretty hard work and diligence, but we made it happen, and now she works, I don't know, 2 to 4 hours a day.
Oh, what do you pitch tonight?
Something like that. So it really has changed our lives. It's given us more time with our family. We have more time to do the things that we love. And I can't thank Jason enough for his guidance and everything that he's taught us to this point. So really hoping to see you at the Aloft Hotel downtown in Louisville, February 21st through 23rd. And anything you'd like to say?
Hope to see you there, guys. This is an event that transforms lives. I've seen it all across the country, and you absolutely, when you attend, will be next.
Yeah. So go to KREIA.com and register for the 3-day event, February 21st to the 23rd, and we will see you there.